Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mimi, and in this video I'll be showing you how I slick down my 4C hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. So the products that I used are the Got2b spray, the Gorilla Snot Gel, the Got2b gel, a Denman brush and another brush, a rat tail comb and a white tooth comb. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and my hair got a little bit dry, so I'm just going back in with more water just to make sure my hair is really moisturized. And then I also go in with my leave-in conditioner, because underneath all that gel I really like my hair to stay moisturized throughout the week. Then I use a white tooth comb to comb my entire hair to just remove any knots, detangle the hair, make sure everything is detangled and ready for me to work with. And right after that, I just section my hair into 3 parts, 2 sections in the front and 1 section in the back. And once I'm done sectioning my hair, I just use these clips to just clip everything in place so that it doesn't get in my way. And once I'm done sectioning my hair, I then start to work with the back of my hair. So now I'm just combing out my hair, removing any tangles or knots, making sure everything is just really detangled. And then I go in with my Gorilla Snot Gel and I just put that all over my hair, and I go in with a brush to just comb out everything and make sure the hair just lays flat. And once my hair feels laid, I just take these hair ties that I made using a sewing thread, and I just use it to tie my hair down. And once it feels like it's got a good grip, I then go back in with more Gorilla Snot Gel. Now you can use your regular scrunchies to hold your hair, but I prefer to use these hair ties because it doesn't make my hair feel bumpy. So I just go in with a scrunchie at the end to just hold everything down once I'm done. So now moving on to the front section of my hair, I'm just combing through using the Denman brush and kind of like laying the hair in the direction that I want it to be. So now I just go in and add more gel, and I put gel in between the parts. Now the key to getting this hairstyle right is to make sure you're putting enough gel in between your hair. Okay, now for some people this is going to be too much gel for them, but for me, I just find that this is what works best for me. So now I'm just using the Denman brush to comb through my hair, detangle it, make sure everything lays flat and nice. Then I just take another piece of hair tie and just tie down this section of my hair. So now I'm left with one more section to work with. And guys, if you have 4C hair like me, please make sure that you get a very firm Boar bristle brush. As you can see, mine isn't very firm, so I really struggled getting my hair flat using that brush. Okay, and now moving to the last section of my hair. My arms were really tired at this point, but you know, you just got to do what you got to do. So now I'm just combing through my hair using my white tooth comb and then my Denman brush, making sure I take out any knots or tangles away from my hair. And now I'm just brushing my hair again in the direction that I want it to lay. Okay, so this just really gives you a guide, because once you put gel in your hair, the Gorilla Snot Gel really dries down quickly. So you need to make sure that your hair is very moisturized. Okay, and please make sure you're putting gel in between the parts of your hair. Just pat your hair, section your hair, apply gel and comb through. Make sure the gel gets through every single strand of your hair before going on to brush your hair down. So now I'm just laying my hair flat, brushing through and making sure everything stays flat and nice. And once my hair looks the way that I want it to look and feels the way that I want it to feel, I then go in with the third hair tie. Okay, and I just use it to tie my hair down. So now everything is just tied down and secure. And then I go in with more Gorilla Snot Gel and just rub it on top of my hair. Make sure everything lays flat. Make sure there's no flyaways, you know, everything just lays flat. And now it's finally time for me to do my edges. Now guys, this is my favorite part of doing my hair. If you know me, you know that I don't joke with my edges, okay? I love my edges to look good. So now I'm just using my hair scrunchie. You remember I said I was going to use a scrunchie to hold down everything at the end. So yeah, this is the part where I use a scrunchie to hold down everything. And now I'm going in with the Got To Be gel for my edges. This is what I use for my edges, and it really gets my edges down. If you have 4C hair like me and you struggle with keeping your edges laid down, please just get this gel. It really gets the job done, okay? And once my edges look the way that I want them to look, I then go in with the same Got To Be gel that I use for my edges, and I just rub that on top of my hair. This really lays down any hairs that might have just started lifting up, if that makes any sense. So I then go in with the Got To Be spray to just finish everything up. So I spray this and go back in with my Boar bristle brush to just lay down any flyaways. Make sure everything just lays really flat. You can use any holding spray of your choice to just hold down your hair, but personally I prefer the Got To Be one, so that's what I use to hold my hair. And then you want to tie your hair down using a satin scarf. So while my hair was molding and getting dry, I went ahead and did my makeup, got ready, and this is what my hair looks like. It was super sleek. I was so happy with the results, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!